Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to show you some happy mail and a giveaway I won from Everything Marmie. And I'm going to link both channels down below. And I got one from Terryeo, I believe it's her channel, Terryeo. And oh, what a sweetheart. And so she sent me this cute, look at that, isn't that cute? So cute. And so she sent me some wonderful happy mail, and I thought that was so sweet. So let's take a look-see. I hope you guys are out there staying cool. It's getting hot here in Washington State. It's supposed to be close to 100 again here. Okay. So I thought this was so sweet. And, oh, got some goodies. So let's take a look at this. It says, "Hi, Pamela." Isn't that cute? And we got some stickers. Look at those beautiful stickers. What a sweetheart. And then, oops, got this stuck here. And then I got some goodies. Look at all these wonderful goodies. Look at this paper, first of all. You can use that for anything. And we got some goodies. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? It's so pretty. You can use these for anything. ATC cards. Those are so cute. I got so much junk here on my table. Oh, look at that. These die cuts. Aren't they so adorable? The bird. The corn. Oh, look at this girl. Isn't that cute? Got the crab. This would be good for some ATC cards. I guess an eye. A bucket. Kitty cat. This cake and the butterflies. I love these die cuts. They're so darn cute. And I can use these on my ATC cards to send them out. I got a couple I need to make and send out. There we go. Wow, thank you so much. I really like this. It's so pretty and very thoughtful of you. Very, very thoughtful. Look at that. That's adorable. I love it all, and I love these die cuts. Now they will come in. I love this because I can not have to worry about cutting anything up and just make my own ATC cards with these die cuts. That is so cool. All right, thank you so much, Terry. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. Came in this big envelope, and I was like, whoa, I won a giveaway. Awesome, from Canada. How cool is that? So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So look at this book. And she did show on her channel what she was giving away. And look at this journal book. Isn't that adorable? And my Dollar Tree does not have this. Oh, that is so pretty. It's a notebook, 60 sheets. Isn't that pretty? I'm super excited. Then we got these by Ardeen. And I have my ears pierced, so look at those. Aren't those adorable? And this is Incredible Glamorous Activity Book and Fashion. And this is so cool. I'd definitely be using this. I like doing things like this. It's a lot of fun. Fashion. Oh, how cool. Mary Poppins. That's right. Oh my gosh. What an honor it is to get this. I'm actually going to read this. How exciting. Look at this nice book, Mary Poppins. I think she said she got that. She got 2 of them or something on accident. I'm so excited. Yay. And then she shared this bag. And I thought that's just super cool. Neighbor Supermarket. It's very nice. Look at this. And it's got the beautiful handles on it. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so cute. It's like Christmas. Another jewelry set from Ardeen. And here is the owl. That's super cute. And the earrings. I may share this with my daughter because she collects owls. Oops. There we go. Let's see here. I'm so excited because I couldn't remember. I know it was in here. But it's like, oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, that's right. So a bandana and a beautiful mirror that you can alter or just use. Isn't that beautiful? And then a bandana. And that is so pretty. You can do stuff with that. It's gorgeous. And this is a Recollections guided journal. Look how beautiful this is. And the sparkle. And it, I believe this is a Michaels brand. But they have keep track of your mood, budget, food, to-dos. How cool is that? Goals. Isn't that cool? That is so neat. I love this. And some Lip Smackers Taste Squad. And I was just complaining to my daughter about my lips earlier. So I have a feeling I'm going to be sharing these with her. But they got dill pickle, peanut butter, jelly, pizza, cotton candy. See, my daughter loves pizza, so bacon. Let's see here. Never seen these kind before. This is really cool. Mac and cheese, Oreo it looks like, pizza. That's super cool. And then Betsy Johnson. I don't have any of her stuff. Oh my gosh, there's more stuff I forgot about. This is ID Roller Barbie. It's a little luggage tag. A tropical paper. How cool is that? And then we've got I don't remember what her name is, but isn't that super cool? My granddaughter would love this. That is awesome. Yeah, she definitely would love that. And then lip gloss, more lip gloss. That's so cute. I'm really excited about this stuff. I truly am. Aw, sequence handle. I can sit here and play with that. That's super duper cool. Aw, look at these. Eye candy. She had the best giveaway. This is awesome. Ooh, Monster High lip balm. My daughter's 18 now. She used to collect Monster High. That is super cool. We'll see. I don't know. And some beads. Look at the beads. You can do so many things with these beads. Take them apart and use them. How super cool. And this beautiful Betsy Johnson zipper pouch bag. Wow, that's super cool. Oh my gosh, there's more. And because I forgot about everything that she had in here, and she packed this so well. And talk about coming quickly. Heck yeah. So, Ardeen clips. These are Ardeen clips. And then we got the headbands. And my daughter will love these. I can't wear these in my hair very well, but she's got long, thick hair, and she's always looking for things like this. So I will share that with her. I'm excited about this giveaway. Do I keep saying that? I'm excited about this giveaway. Yes. I can't believe how well she packed this either. Boy, there's a lot of stuff in here. Let me get this box open. Okay. Let's see here. This beautiful pouch. This is, oh, that's right, a bracelet. Look at that. How beautiful is that? That is so pretty. I'm going to have to keep this away from my daughter. Or we can share it. Look how beautiful that is. She loves this kind of stuff. That's beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And a Stylus Pen. How cool is that? Has the popcorn and the pen. Super cool. I love it. I always love pens, gel pens, you name it. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that. And I like LOL girls. It's LOL surprise. Let's take a look-see. Stickers. So it looks like it's a puzzle. And some stickers, a coloring book. And you know you can color these and then add these to your ATC cards. And cute little crayons. How cute. And I'm going to use this. And you can put the puzzle together and put it on something. Coloring book, stickers. You can fussy cut those out. That would be fun. Awesome. And, oh, I can't forget this wallet. Look at this cute little queen purse. Aw, she put some pennies in it. How cute. And I definitely need one for my wallet. Isn't that adorable, guys? That's just so adorable. And then she added some candies. So let's see what we got here. We got candy dip bonbons, lemon powder, and then this is the dip bonbons, cherry powder, and then blueberry powder. And we got some 3 yummy, yummy, yummy in your tummy root beer suckers. And these are delish. I can't have them, but I'll give them to my sister or grandbabies. I'll probably give them to my grandbabies. My sister doesn't really need it either. She's diabetic, so she shouldn't be eating that. Okay, so this is the giveaway I won from Everything Marmie. Oh my gosh, this was huge. I didn't realize. I forgot how big it was. Please go check out her channel. She is doing a, right now she is doing a challenge. So please go check her out. I will link her channel down below in the description box. with Terry as well. Please go check out both these wonderful ladies. And thank you, Terry, for the beautiful Happy Mail. And thank you, Marmie, for this beautiful giveaway that you hosted. This was great. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to get into some of these goodies. I'm going to put everything in this bag here. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. All right, everyone. I'm going to get off here. It's already been almost 16 minutes. Please go check out these ladies' channels and check out Marmie's challenge. And I hope to see you all soon. Please take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.